The very first thing that I noticed is you tend to favor the sugar finger. And the sugar finger is the most comfortable finger to play on the guitar, which is usually our third finger. When you favor it, you always land on that finger to either bend or vibrato, even if that note does not fit over the backing track. And that's the reason why your stock licks and your stock moves don't always work. To combat that, you have to know what the chords are. So let me play over it. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to outline the chords, I'll outline the arpeggios over the correct chords. And then I will progress to adding notes from the pentatonic scale, but making sure to land on the appropriate target notes over the chord in the progression. Those are the notes that you hold on to, and regardless of which finger is playing them. Okay, so sometimes I'll be using my index finger to hold notes. Sometimes I'll use my third finger. Sometimes I'll use whatever falls on the note that fits the chord underneath. Okay, so here we go. Okay, A minor. F, C, A minor, G, D minor, A minor, F, C, A minor again, minor. The note there. So back to the A section. C, A minor, G, D minor, A minor again, F, C, A minor, minor. So loose licks. But you gotta end on the correct chord. F, D minor, F, E7, F, G, G, E7. So as you can see, I'm not just following the arpeggios. strictly. You know, I'm still using my stock licks. I'm using my blues licks. I'm using the licks that I already know. But what I'm doing is I am directing my hand where I need to go. That's why you need to know the chords that are underneath. It's like driving a car. You don't just hop into your car, put it in gear, and hope for the best. You know, you need to know where you're going. So if I know that from A minor, I'm going to F and I'm going to C, even if I use my stock licks, if I end it on the correct note or on an interesting note that works over the chord, then I am sure that it is going to be melodic.